welcome to my tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how you can design your own Christmas card. Usually I use Shutterfly or Costco, but I really wanted to make my own Christmas card and I thought I would take you guys along with me. First we gotta upload our picture, and what we're gonna do is click upload image, and you can either drag your file or you can browse for it. I'm gonna drag because I already have it open. I want to use this really cute Christmas picture that I have of my little boy in front of the Christmas tree. Once you do that, you're gonna click complex. That will keep all the details in the picture. That way then when you print it, the quality is the same as if you had printed it with Shutterfly. Now I'm going to click on the square that has a line slanted through it. This allows me to crop. I want to just make it so he's more centered in my card. If you guys really like this, let me know and I could do another video showing you how to do multiple pictures. But today we're just going to start with one picture. Now that that is done, I'm going to zoom out so I can see the whole image, and that's as far as it's going to let me. Apply and continue. Let's see, I'm happy with that. Click on your image and you can give it a name. I'm just going to leave it alone and keep the date of when the picture was taken. Click upload and then you can start designing your image. Now that that is done, we're going to bring this down to the width of 4. And it says 5, but I want that to be 6. I think if the width is longer though, it's not going to fit in the envelopes. We'll see if the measurements that it has given me will work. Because I think 5.83 height will be enough room. Now, my greatest Christmas present is my babies. So I kind of want to play with that all I wanted for Christmas is you. It's not very original, but it's what I have. And I thought it would be really fun and cute, especially since it looks like he's the Christmas present under the tree. We're going to find a font that we like, and my favorite when it comes to baby stuff is Love, because it gives this curly look that I want. Oh, I didn't realize they like heart the J's. Well, we'll see if I like it. Because I don't want hearted eyes for Christmas. I might need to come up with a different plan. Let's see what happens if I type Christmas. Oh, it does the heart. No, 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 no. Okay, let's pick a different font. Let's do Holly. I mean, is that a font? Maybe that's the problem. Why is this taking forever? Okay, apparently Holly is not a thing. How about Jolly? There, okay. Ooh, that's really cute. And that's also super cute. Let's do Santa for now. I don't know if I still love that. Okay, let's play with it though. I decided that I liked this font, at least for the first part of the phrase. I didn't want it to do it throughout the whole thing. Once I got that lined up where I wanted it, I thought it was really hard to see. So to change it to white, I went up to Basic Cut, clicked on the square, and changed my color. Now let's go to images and find something fun for Christmas. Christmas. I think we're going to go with this one. Or this one. Now, if I'm going to use this one, I don't want the details underneath. That will make it so I can't fit everything on my card. I think right now I'm liking this more because it goes with the font that's already up here. but I kind of like the idea that it's going to be a different font. So what you do is go to the right corner, click ungroup. This allows me to see what parts we need to contour. So it looks like in each area I'm going to have to do a contour. So we'll first do the red contour. Click on the red basic cut over here on the right, then go to the bottom right corner and click on contour. Now we're going to get rid of the circles for the little mistletoe cherries. It was not cooperating, so we'll just do this. Okay, that looks good. Now it should just be the R left. Now let's do this again. You're going to just keep repeating the same steps till you have contoured everything that you desire to remove. There, that was easy. Now we're going to regroup this by highlighting everything. Go to the right corner, click group. This will make it so the colors don't change and they'll stay together. After alternating the two images, I decided the Christmas that has the yellow, red, and green letters were easier to see in front of the Christmas tree, where the other one, it was a little harder to see them. I think the Christmas I want centered with the picture, so I'm going to highlight the picture and Christmas over here, click align, center horizontally. For this next part, I did decide to use a different font. I'll put in the description below all the fonts and images that I used while creating this card. To change the color, I'm going to click on it over on the right, and that will make it so this appears as basic cut and then the color. All I'm going to do is change the color because when I flatten it, it will correct itself. Oh yeah, that's adorable. Let's see what happens when I flatten it all with that Merry Christmas Wallace. I might need to change that font, but besides that, I'm really happy with the way my card looks. So now what I'm going to do is highlight everything by just clicking on the left and dragging it to the bottom. You can also double check on the right that everything is highlighted. Once I do that, I'm going to click flatten. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, now that it's flattened, I can see how everything will look once it prints. My only change I'm going to make is making this smaller. I was worried any smaller you wouldn't be able to see it, but now that I can see it, I definitely know that this can work being much smaller. And then we could put it more in the right corner, like that. Oh, that's so cute. Highlight everything again, flatten, and I believe we have our Christmas card. I might make one little alteration. I'm not sure that I love the pointy corners. I want to change that. So I think we're going to go down here, click on shapes, and look at all of these shapes that they have now. Before it was like 6, and you could get the triangle, heart, hexagon, pentagon, octagon, star, and a circle, and maybe an oval. I'm not remembering correctly at this time, but you didn't have a lot of options, and now you have a whole library full. I'll have to add in the footage. When I first found this, I totally geeked out and was super excited to it. So I need 4 rectangles. Whoa! Oh my goodness, there's so many more shapes. Oh, that's so cool. Let's see if in our new setup we have curved, smooth corners, and we do. So I'm going to click on that. Make it the same size as your card, which in my case is 4 by 5.83. Now we're gonna send this to the back, highlight everything, go to Align, Center, and now I can see where it's gonna trim the corners. I'm happy with that. I don't see it cutting anything important like my fonts. First, let's unflatten our Christmas card. This will allow us to click on the different elements. We need to click on square with round corners, and while holding the Control key, click on our image. Then go to the bottom and click Slice. That'll make it so we can remove the basic cut, because we don't want that anymore, and the slice results that shows the corners have been trimmed. We're going to now send our picture to the back, and I might move this over here. No, I think I liked it better the other way. Okay, that looks so good. I'm happy with that. Highlight everything again, flatten, and you're ready to do your tester. My advice when you do your tester is print it on the material that you will be printing it on. Now let's make it. I'm going to use the photo paper that I'm planning on using. For our image, because it's a professional picture and I want the quality to stay the same, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my systems dialog. That will allow me to pick the material that I'm printing on while also asking the settings to print at the highest quality. Preference. The media type I'm using is photo paper that is glossy, and I want the print quality to be high. Now that this is printed and it looks absolutely amazing, I'm so happy. It looks like I ordered it from MPix. I don't think anyone would know that I made this myself with the Cricut. I'm gonna now cut it and we'll see what it looks like after it gets cut. Hopefully it goes well, and I'll let you know when it's done. When you print on photo paper, you need to let this dry for 24 hours. I've just learned in the past when I printed my own pictures for my scrapbooking, the image gets scraped off, and you don't want that to happen when you put it through the Cricut. With all my cuts, I always flip the mat upside down and roll the mat instead of my paper, so when you're done removing your project, it stays flat. I am so happy. It looks so good. It's super cute. I love the picture I picked, and it really does look like I ordered it from NPix. To my family and friends, this will not be the card you will be getting because this would be a spoiler. So look forward to my Christmas card that I made myself with the Cricut, and I hope that you can do the same for your loved ones. Merry Christmas. Bye.